Welcome to Embassyl. Hi friend. Today I'm sharing how to embroider lazy daisy stitch. This stitch is often used to embroider flowers or leaves. To begin, bring the needle up from the underside of the fabric. Bring the needle back to the starting point. The threads will form a small loop like this. Then, bring the needle up within that loop. Secure the loop with a little stick on the outside. Continue with the second stitch. To embroider flowers, start the needle from the center of the flowers. Repeat until completed. The initial step seems similar to chain stitch. You can refer to the chain stitch tutorial in the link below the description or in the top right corner of this video. And there you have completed embroidering a flower. It's so simple. I will continue with the remaining flowers. With stamens, we usually use the French knot stitch, but I will recommend this stitch in the next video. Please remember to watch. For now, I will continue using the lazy daisy stitch to embroider stamens. For this, I will still use this stitch to embroider. So I have just finished embroidering a pattern using the Lazy Daisy stitch. Have you tried it yet? It's absolutely wonderful.